Hello fans, welcome to another episode of Crap Box Cars. Today we have the Monte Carlo's Flowmasters. They're worthless. And I want to see if it makes the S10 louder. So we're going to unbolt the exhaust on the S10, just weld one of those on and see if it makes a difference. The big old muffler is cut out and now it's time to put it in the car with one of the old chrome tips, right?
Oh yeah. All right, so that old big Johnny's out, so he's going to start it.
Let's see what a straight pipe S10 sounds like.
That sounds a lot of smells like a lot of gas.
All right, so we're gonna weld some things.
Wow, you are so loud.
We're gonna weld that to a muffler that's somewhere.
It's underneath.
The muffler's under there. We're gonna weld that to there, and it should be cool. S10, giant Monte Carlo tip, old ass Flowmaster, and shitty welds. Well, fans, it is in, as you can see. There's the original cat, and we made this, Jones. These beautiful welds there. There's the Flowmaster from the Monte Carlo, and it has a dump right there. And the dump just kind of hangs a little below the car. You know, pretty cool. Pretty nifty. You can kind of see it right there. So, let's start it. You ready?
Ooh, I kind of like that.
It's louder.
Do it again. Oh, that sounds... Oh. Oh. It sounds a little like a Honda.
It does sound... Well, it is a four-cylinder. All right, Grant, shall we drive it?
Absolutely.
We got to hear her on the street, baby. It sounds actually kind of good. It sounds like a little Honda. It's adorable. All right, a little drive. It makes little poppies.
Wait for it.
That's so cute.
I think it's great.
It's great.
It's so cute.
It's so slow still. It's so like low key too. It's so easy.
Nice. It's not that loud.
It's not loud at all.
Like I bet you we put up the windows, we wouldn't hear it.
Probably not. Oh yeah, look at that. Hear a little rev? Oh yeah.
Wow,
That thing sounds fast. Yeah, it's a little less dead.
Less done. There you go.
Oh, green light. All right, we're doing a sound test for the highway. All right, we're at 65 and you can barely hear it. I just hear wind. Shall we roll the windows up?
Yeah.
Window up test. It sounds the same as before.
I just hear the engine.
It's super easy. I could easily road trip this across the country.
Oh yeah.
All right. All right, fans. A little flooring at speed test in the S10. Are you ready? We'll roll into the throttle. We're matted to the floor, baby. She's going. Oh, 60! Oh my God! It's still quiet.